In the real estate industry, delivering a project successfully requires careful planning and quality control. Despite the best efforts of project managers and engineers, minor defects and unfinished tasks often remain, which can lead to delays, additional cost, and dissatisfied clients. This is where Snaglist come into play as an effective tool for ensuring quality and timely project delivery. According to a report by the National Real Estate Development Council, over 30% of real estate projects in India experience delays due to last minute quality issues and rework. These statistics highlight the importance of having a structured snagging process to minimize errors and optimize resource utilization. Real estate developers must focus on efficiency, quality, and error free project execution. Implementing Snag List can be a game changer, ensuring that projects are delivered on time, within budget, and with the highest level of quality. A snag list is a detailed checklist of defects, unfinished work, or quality issues that must be resolved before a construction or real estate project is handed over. It serves as a crucial quality control tool, ensuring that every aspect of the project meets the required standards before final approval. In large scale developments where multiple contractors and suppliers are involved, minor defects can be easily overlooked. A snag list helps project managers and engineers systematically track and rectify these issues, preventing last minute surprises and costly rework. It also ensures that developers deliver homes, commercial spaces, and infrastructure projects that meet customer expectations and regulatory requirements. Addressing snags before project handover is not just about aesthetics. It also prevents long-term maintenance problems, improves safety, and enhances the overall value of the property. Here are some common issues in a snag list. Walls with cracks, bubbles, or inconsistent paint application reduce the visual appeal of a property. Gaps between frames, difficulty in opening and closing of doors and windows, or improper sealing can lead to a water leakage and energy inefficiency. Now, uneven tiles, loose floorboards, or improper grouting can cause trip hazards and long-term durability issues. Leaking pipes or improper drainage connections can cause dampness, seepage, and water logging, leading to structural damage over time. Low water pressure or clogged pipelines, often overlooked but crucial for ensuring smooth plumbing operations in apartments and commercial buildings. Poor bathroom fittings installations, if incorrectly installed, like taps, showers, or toilets, can lead to frequent repairs and inconvenience for occupants. Now, electrical fitting problems like faulty wiring and exposed cables are a major fire hazard that needs immediate correction before occupancy. Non-functional switches and sockets like poor connections or low quality materials can lead to electrical failures, like improperly installed light fixtures can result in flickering lights, loose fittings, or overheating issues. Cracks in external walls or poor waterproofing can lead to seepage, especially during monsoons. Improperly paved driveways and walkways leads to uneven surfaces, which may cause water pooling and increase maintenance cost. Now, poor drainage in common areas lead to mosquito breeding and hygiene concerns as well. Any deviations from approved project plans can lead to legal disputes and penalties. Failure to meet safety standards like missing fire safety measures, inadequate ventilation, or improper emergency exits can delay approvals. Insufficient parking space allocation are often a point of dispute among home buyers, requiring strict adherence to building regulations. By systematically addressing these snags, developers and project managers can ensure timely project completion, which improves buyer satisfaction and long-term durability of real estate assets. A snag list acts as a safeguard against errors by ensuring that every aspect of a project is thoroughly inspected before handover. By systematically addressing defects, it helps prevent last minute surprises, rework cost, and disputes with clients or regulatory authorities. Here is how it contributes to error reduction. Last minute rectifications often delay handovers and increase cost. A snag list ensures that each phase of construction is checked thoroughly, allowing errors to be corrected early. Regular snagging inspections help in detecting workmanship defects, material inconsistencies, and installation errors, preventing them from becoming major issues later. Between multiple stakeholders, large real estate projects involve multiple contractors, vendors, engineers, and legal bodies. A well-maintained snag list helps in streamlining communication by ensuring that all stakeholders are aware of pending issues and their respective deadlines. This reduces miscommunication and ensures faster resolution of defects. Non-compliance with RERA norms, fire safety laws, and environmental regulations can result in heavy penalties and legal disputes. A snag list ensures that all regulatory checks are completed before project handover, protecting developers from fines and ensuring a legal compliant property. Fixing construction defects after project handover can be up to 5 times more expensive than resolving them during the snagging phase, whether it's plumbing leaks, poor waterproofing, or structural defects. Addressing these issues before occupancy reduces future maintenance cost and client satisfaction. A well executed project enhances client trust and satisfaction, reducing negative feedback and boosting the developer's reputation. Buyers who receive defect free properties are more likely to recommend the developer, leading to stronger brand credibility and better sales for future. By identifying and resolving issues before handover, snag lists ensure that projects are completed to high standards, delivered on time, and free from major defects, ultimately benefiting both developers and buyers. In the fast growing real estate sector, delivering high quality, defect free projects is essential for long term success. A well implemented snag list plays a crucial role in reducing construction defects, ensuring regulatory compliance, and enhancing client satisfaction. By systematically addressing issues before handover, developers can avoid costly rework, preventing legal disputes, and uphold their reputation in a competitive market. Incorporating snag list into real estate project workflows leads to better quality control, efficient project completion, and a seamless handover process. With increasing regulatory oversight and rising buyer expectations, ensuring a snag-free project delivery is no longer optional but a necessity. As the demand for housing, commercial spaces, and infrastructure continues to grow, developers, contractors, and real estate firms must prioritize snagging to maintain high industry standards. A structured snagging process not only guarantees smooth project execution but also builds trust with home buyers and investors, ensuring sustained business growth and success. Thank you.